Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Today we are going to be making this extra moisturizing Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner. This conditioner is everything you need for moisturized, hydrated hair. To make the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner, we are going to be using fenugreek leaves. You can also use the seeds. Both the leaf and the seeds have similar properties. I added some of the fenugreek leaves into a cup and poured in hot boiling water just to make the fenugreek tea. This fenugreek tea will be our base ingredient for the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner. Here the fenugreek tea is ready, as you guys can see, so I'm going to filter off to get a clean fenugreek tea. Fenugreek contains lecithin, a natural emollient that moisturizes and deeply conditions our hair. It makes our hair stronger from the roots by providing rich nourishment. Moving on to making the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner proper, here I'm measuring out the amount of fenugreek tea we would need. Here I measured out 120 grams of fenugreek tea, although I added 100 grams initially, but I later topped off with 20 grams. And into that I also added 20 grams of vegetable glycerin. So that will be our water phase ingredient, just the fenugreek tea and vegetable glycerin. Now we'll stir that to mix well, keep aside, and move on to the fat phase. For the fat phase, we'll measure out 24 grams of olive oil, 10 grams of coconut oil, 10 grams of cocoa butter, and 14 grams of BTMS 25. And here are our fat phase ingredients. The next step is to add all the ingredients into a separate jar. Olive oil acts as a great moisturizer and prevents dryness. It helps prevent split ends and adds strength and shine to hair. Cocoa butter deeply penetrates and nourishes the hair. It helps maintain long-lasting hydration and won't weigh your hair down. Coconut oil is also amazing for hair. It restores lost protein from our hair strands. And BTMS 25 acts as an emulsifier, conditioner, and frizz reducer. BTMS 25 is a plant-based emulsifying wax that is naturally derived from rapeseed oil. So here are our simple water and fat phases. We'll cover the cups with aluminum foil to avoid evaporation, and we'll let this melt completely. I like to let this get to around 70 degrees Celsius, and at this point I'll just remove the aluminum cover and then gradually pour the oil phase into the water phase. As you guys can see me doing, see that instant change in the consistency and color. That shows that the emulsifying process is beginning to take place. So I'll just whisk it for a while and then remove it from heat. I'll also whisk it for a while outside heat, and then I'll go in with immersion blender. So what I usually do is I blend this until I get a milky consistency. So I'll just blend intermittently, just blend and give it a little pause. Sometimes I go in with a spatula to mix it a little bit and then go in again with the immersion blender to continue blending. I like to blend this until I feel a little thickness, as you guys can see right here. So at this point, I just stop blending and leave it for some time to allow the product sit and cool for a while. People feeling like the light has just come. After some time, this is how it's looking. It has gotten a lot thicker, so I'll go in again with the immersion blender to give it a little blend to make sure everything is well mixed in and smooth. As you guys can see, instantly it has thickened up completely, and you can see it's so smooth and well mixed in. So I'll just remove the blender and allow this to get to around room temperature, to around like 40 degrees, or until it's just slightly warm to touch. If you don't have a thermometer, just allow it to get slightly warm to touch and you're good to go. Here is after a while, it has gotten to around 40 degrees C here, and the product has gotten even more thick. So here we'll move on to the cooling phase ingredients. So here I'm measuring out 2 grams of preservative. I'm using Joga 221, and I also measured out 2 grams of vitamin E and some essential oils. I used about 1 gram of tea tree oil. Now we'll add that to the product and mix it in real good with the spatula. Please take a few seconds to click the like button and like this video. That will give this video a lot of boost. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Thank you. Guys, this Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner is so good. The consistency is amazing. And the feel on my hair, guys, it was so amazing. This Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner will keep your hair so moisturized and soft. Now, the next thing is to test for the pH. I usually mix in 2 parts of the product with 8 parts of water. So I added like 2 grams of the product into 8 grams of water. Mix them together, dip my pH strips in there and take a reading. Here it's at 5, which is perfect. You don't have to adjust or anything. The next is to transfer to a clean, dry, sterilized jar. Guys, make sure your jar is very clean and dry. You don't want any contamination that will reduce the shelf life of your product. So now I added the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner into my jar and it's so perfect. Guys, this leave-in conditioner is so amazing. I like to take a little bit and test on my skin to see the absorption rate, and as you guys can see, it absorbed well into my skin, which means it will also absorb really well into my hair strands. So the next thing is to label my product with the name and manufacturing date so that I will know when it will expire. This product is good for about 8 months, guys. 8 good months. Moving on to the application, as usual, guys, I want to put my hair in a protective style. You guys know my go-to style is twist. I'm about to put my hair in twist. My hair is very clean but dry here, so I'm going in to hydrate it a little bit with water. You can also use hair growth spray for this step. Usually I use hair growth spray, but if I don't have any at hand, I just use water. So I just sprayed my hair with a little bit of water and then I go in with the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner. Guys, this Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner is everything. It will soften your hair instantly and makes it so easy to detangle and manipulate your hair. Fenugreek is so beneficial for our hair, guys. Don't sleep on Fenugreek. Fenugreek contains lecithin, a natural emollient that moisturizes and deeply conditions our hair. It makes our hair stronger from the roots by providing rich nourishment, thereby effectively controlling hair shedding. After going in with the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner to initially moisturize and detangle my hair, I then go in to seal the moisture with fenugreek butter. I decided to pair the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner with the fenugreek butter for maximum benefit from the fenugreek. I also have the video of this fenugreek butter up on my channel already in case if you are interested. I also have other leave-in conditioners and hair butters as well, so you can just browse through my channel to see what you like. I have different recipes with different ingredients, so you definitely see one with the ingredients your hair loves. Fenugreek is a rich source of protein and amino acids that help repair damaged hair and promote thicker hair growth. Fenugreek also adds shine and soft texture to hair. It helps prevent premature graying. Usually after my moisturizing process, like after moisturizing my hair with the leave-in conditioner and sealing the moisture in with the hair butter, I also go in again to detangle my hair properly, making sure the product coats my hair strands real good, and then I start taking little portions of hair to twist them down. I don't bother to make clean parts for my twist. I like that natural look of twist, so I just pick a little portion with my finger and just start twisting them down. I usually keep this twist for 1 week, or on some occasions 2 weeks if I'm busy, or just a week plus. As usual, I spread my hair with the water. Right now I'm going in with the Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner. You guys need to try this formula. Just make this recipe, guys. Make this Fenugreek Leave-in Conditioner. You would love it. I promise you that. This leave-in conditioner will probably beat any store-bought leave-in conditioner you've been using all this while. And the ingredients are so simple and easy to access. And here my twist is done, guys. This is what it's looking like. So that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comment in the comment section. I love you all and see you in my next video. Bye.